So this is a quick video just going to show you an example of what a phishing text message could look like. Um, Fairly recently I did get a parking fine, and I think I just paid it off immediately so that it was less money, because if you pay it off immediately it's half the amount, I think. Anyway, I've had two texts since then that look a bit like this. They kind of look fairly authentic, but what it's relying on is you not taking enough caution when you look at a message like this. It's relying on its veneer of authority and hoping, which some people will, click the link because it's so easy to just do it out of curiosity. So what I would do is what's written here is that if you're not sure about a text at all, you're best off doing a Google search, using the first couple of sentences of the text and then adding the word scam afterwards and searching and see if anything comes up. And when I did that, it came up with this kind of overview that it's a commonly known scam. And it's also likely, I would say, that with fines like this, they write to you in person typically. I did Google this telephone number as well, 07575870593, but it didn't return any results at all, so there's that. So basically, yeah, be cautious of clicking any link, because if it is a phishing link, it's possible for it to hack your device, and you wouldn't necessarily know that your device is compromised. So you click the link and it might go to a dud page, and you might think that's the end of it, but depending on what device you've got and what kind of thing this is, it has got the potential to hack your phone and then do all the other things that can happen after you've been hacked. So be careful, and if you can help it, don't click any links, because it's not really safe to do so like it used to be. Okay, hope that helps. Cheers, bye.